Cryptocurrency prices are a little slow right now, and that's okay. A lot of people were expecting it. Thanksgiving week is typically lower in volume, lower in volatility, and of course we're not expecting much to happen. But with that, we are maintaining support levels. So we've got to look at the positive, right? That's what we're going to be doing in this video. So if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay, and as you can see, Shiba Inu coin is holding on to that 850 point per coin level of support as 19 billion SHIB outflow sparks a market shift. Now, I'm going to jump into this article in a second here, but I do want to say thank you guys for watching this video. I should be able to post on both channels, maybe December 5th, and I'm excited about that. So hopefully everything is good. But I do want to say that YouTube has changed their cryptocurrency policy. They're really cracking down, and what is not permitted is right here. What is permitted, general discussions. That's what we're doing here. It's educational content, news, and discussions about cryptocurrency. Please do not take anything in this video as a recommendation, promotion, promise, suggestion. Literally, we're just talking about cryptocurrency. And if you do decide to make any decisions, make sure that you talk to the correct people before doing so, and that it's not somebody that is on YouTube. Now, with that being said, I'm sorry, right? I feel like I insult you guys' intelligence every time I say that, but some of you guys actually leave some comments, and not much intelligence to insult there. So the vast majority of you, I'm sorry. Some of the other ones, maybe not too much. But anyway, let's jump into this article right here, and it says Shiba Inu coin news. SHIB holds 850 points per coin as 19 billion SHIB outflow sparks a market shift. Trading near 847. Time I'm recording this video, it's right at 847. So we're dead on with where they wrote this article. And moving to a high of 867. As the token maintains support around the 2.236 Fibonacci level at 827, the price continues to move inside the 75-day falling wedge, which stretches from 1301 to the 700 point per coin region. And that's where you get this area right in here, guys. Moving down here, this recent decline that we have had over the last couple of months has caused SHIB to hit these lower lows and lower highs. Now, the wedge occurs. Can I get a graph on here? Can I get a chart on here real quick? The wedge occurs when you connect these lower highs that are being made. And of course, it does depend on if you want a descending wedge right here or if you want a horizontal wedge. Either way, Shiba Inu coin is wedging down into this area, connecting the lower highs and the lower lows being hit. Now, with that, some analysts are very optimistic that maintaining this support level means the wedge could be broken to the upside. It says the chart shows a clear rejection from 1400 supply zone, which formed after several failed attempts to break through and the shaded resistance region. The decline accelerated to the 382 Fibonacci level at 918 and the 0.5 level at 991 and the 0.618 at 1064. Each level reflects a loss of structure as SHIB continued its multi-week decline. And this is where you got the descending wedge that we just showed on our graph right there. The wedge's upper boundary now aligns with that 900 point per coin region, and this level marks a technical barrier that Shiba Inu coin must break to shift its trend. The price has remained below the mid-range Fibonacci mark since early October, and the last low wick extended to 681, which remains the lowest point recorded in its current pattern. Now, if Shiba Inu coin breaks that level, we could see a very nice rebound to the upside. The good news is, right, we're only 50 points per coin away. This is the upper end of this range right here. Shiba Inu coin, yes, is continuing to follow it lower, but it's not going to take much excitement. It's not going to take a very large catalyst to make Shiba Inu coin break out of this level. Now, the good news is it can literally happen with a slight catalyst. So I continue to accumulate. And one of the tokens that I'm accumulating is Shiba Inu coin, absolutely. But I've also been buying into Maxi Doge. Now, if you guys want to check out Maxi Doge, you got a link for it down in the description below. In the next 1 day and 12 hours, the price is going to rise again until the ICO ends. And then, of course, it hits the market. It is currently priced at 0.0002705, and this is a pure meme coin. Now, research it for yourself, make your own decisions, all of that good stuff, but meme coins thrive during periods of extreme greed. They do not do well during periods of extreme fear, which is what we're seeing right now. As a matter of fact, if we refresh this, where are we today? Level of 20 fear. We are right on the cusp of fear and extreme fear. We were at 20 yesterday. We're at 20 today. We're off the recent lows of a level of 10 extreme fear, though. So the good news is we are bouncing just slightly. The bad news is it's just slightly, and we are still in a fearful situation. So if you're interested in this one, you got a link for it down there. They're doing an amazing job of growing their community. 5,442 followers out on X. They've got 118 buyers just in the last 24 hours. So meme coins are still alive. They're just unwilling to thrive at the moment. But hey, sentiment changes, and it changes quick. So let me know what you guys are buying down in the comments below. And until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.